Good morning to all of you. So in this video lecture, we are going to see the subject CME-3IT, Automobile Engineering. In that Unit 3, video lecture 2, you are going to see. The topic covered will be types of gearboxes. Okay, let's go to the slides. So in the first slide, we are going to see the basic type of gearbox, which is called as sliding mesh gearbox. The layout is given here. There is input shaft, clutch gear, then a gear shift fork, output shaft, counter shaft, idler gear. The idler gear is basically used for the reverse gear mechanism. So actually that gear shift fork will move the gear, slide the gears over the output shaft. For example, gears 5 and 6 and 3 will be getting contact with each other by moving the 6th gear right hand side or left hand side. Like that 4 and 5 will be getting contact. Sometimes the 1 and 6 will be in direct contact for the top gear. And idler gear, that counter shaft idler gear, sometimes it will get contact with 5 and 8 for the reverse gear mechanisms. Okay, that's all about the basic principle of working of the sliding mesh gearbox. In this slide, we can see about the constant mesh gearbox. The layout looks very much similar to the sliding mesh, but here the gears does not slide both ways. Instead of that, the dog clutches D1 and D2 slide in both ways to contact with the gears. Okay, so that's the simple layout of the constant mesh gearbox. In this type of gearbox, all the gear on the main shaft is are in constant mesh with the corresponding gears of the counter lay shaft. The dog clutches are provided in the main shaft, one between the clutch gear and the second gear, and the other between the first gear and the reverse gear. The main shaft is splined and all the gears are free on it. A dog clutch can slide on the shaft and rotates with it and makes contact with all the gears. Okay. Now, when the left hand dog clutch is made to slide to the left by means of the gear shift lever, it meshes with the clutch gear and the top speed gear is obtained. When the left hand dog clutch meshes with the second gear, the second speed gear is obtained. Similarly, by sliding the right hand dog clutch to the left and right, the first gear and the reverse gear are obtained respectively. In this gearbox, all the gears are in constant mesh. They are safe from being damaged, and an unpleasant grinding sound does not occur while engaging and disengaging them. In this slide, we are seeing a simple layout of the synchromesh gearbox. So here also there is a main shaft, lay shaft, and here there are some different things: a ball lock mechanism, a female friction cone, a male friction cone, and a synchronizing unit, and some helical gears. Instead of spur gears, we are using helical gears. And one thing we want to remember here is mainly for the top 2 gears only we are using these kind of synchromesh mechanisms. Actually, the synchronizing unit gradually engages and disengages with the male and female cone, so that gradual means the smooth contact is made with while engaging and disengaging, so that the gear tooth failure or any direct damages has been prevented. And the gear shift, actually the gear shift mechanism is very simple in this case, very smooth in this case. So only we are going for a synchromesh gearbox. Okay, the remaining things can be seen in the next video lecture. Thank you.